Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathnari. Now we are the discuss topic how to draw a grouped bar graph with standard deviation and add it to the significance value for the group bar chart. So this is a data set for the creating the group bar chart and added to the significance value. So the first of all for the we take the two different variable and the drug A and drug B, and this is for the concentration for the three different concentrations, the 0.03 ppm and 0.06 ppm and 0.09 ppm. This is for the mortality for the 100 insert count for the percentage. So this data the copy paste to the GraphPad Prism software. So the GraphPad Prism, open the GraphPad Prism software. This is the GraphPad. So the first of all is selected for the grouped column, and the first for the data table, the select for the first one options, enter or import data into the new tab. So the options selected to the second one, enter the three replication the value in side by side column sub columns. So if you want, I selected for the three replication. If you want the 5 or 7 replications, just increased for the value. So the 5 or 7. So the first I select for the 3 because I selected for the 3 replications. So then click for the create button. Okay, this is for the workspace for the GraphPad PSM. Now the copy the data. So the copy the data column and copy and go to the GraphPad PSM software. So the paste the data, the group one for the drug A and group T for the drug B. So the concentration for 0.03 ppm and next one for the 0.06, the next one the 0.09 ppm. So this is the data set. Now the created for the grouped bar chart with the standard deviations. So the selected for the create a new graph for exiting data, the plus simple click, then open the new tab. Okay, the creating a new graph. So the first of all selected for the summary data and second one graph. The plot for the mean with the standard deviation. So then click the OK button. Now the created for the graph. This graph now customized for the GraphPad PSM software. So the first increased for the graph size. So the use for the resize graph the select button and click to the large. The next one for the large. Okay, now the XHS value increased. I selected for the 10. Okay, if you want the 12, just increase to 12. Okay, now the change to the color for the bar graph, the drug A and drug B. So the select for the format graph options. Open the new tab for the format graph. The first of all the data set for the options, two data set, the drug A and drug B. First I change to the color for the drug A. Then the appearance on the plot also the no changes. The already is bar chart with the standard deviation value. So the bar color change to the green and border is a black and border width for 2. Then apply. So the change the color. The next one for the error bar options, the color also black, the style also the upper the T size and thickness for the 2. Okay, then apply. Okay, the next one for the drug B, the bar chart change to the color. So the select for the drug B and the color change to the red or any other color change. Okay, then border for the 2, the border color is a black and the error bar color also the black the same, then with thickness for the error bar 2 pt, then apply. So then click for the OK button. The before the change to add to the data value, so the select the options and go to the within the bar of the bottom options. So then I selected for the so the second one options in the for the plotted value. So the dynamics change to the 2, then apply. Okay, the change to the font style. So the unclick for the automatic options and select to the font options. Okay, I add to the time Roman. Then regular size for the 12. Then click the OK. Okay, then auto the color change to the value. So the unclick for the color auto options. Then color is a black. Okay, then click to bold. Select the bond options. Then select the bold. Then OK, apply. Okay, the bold option selected. Then click the OK. So the next one options for the created for the plain border in the group bar graph. So the select for the format access options. Okay, then format frame style for the no frame to the plain frame. Then apply. Okay, the plain frame is created. Then click the OK button. Now the delete the title and select the hold the graph. Change to the font, time Roman and font size for the 12. Okay, then add the XHS title for the concentration, ppm. Okay, then YXS title for the mortality rate. Okay, now the add to the significance value for the group bar graph. So the select for the draw options, I select for the manually add line to the click the draw jink to jink line with the text options. So the select for the options, I added to the significance value. Then significance value for the single star for the 0.05 percentage. Okay, the next one added. 2 star for the 0.01 percentage. Okay, the next one for the concentration 0.03 to 0.09. This is no significance NS. So the next one group for the drug P they created for the significance value. So the same option selected, the 0.03 to 0.06. Okay, the no significance. The next one for the 0.06 to 0.09, the ppm significance value, this 0.5 percentage, the one significance. Okay, the next one for the 0.03 to 0.09 ppm concentration, the significance value, the 0.01 percentage. So this also the change for the select the graph and change to the font for the time Roman. Okay, the move to the legend. The legend also the select bold. Okay, this is for the grouped bar chart with the standard deviation and added to the significance value for the group bar chart. If you like this video, please click the subscription and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.